channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Canoo, and the stock is down 7.00%, trading at $3.98. On Friday, the stock closed at $4.28. Today it opened at $4.17, which was quite low, and since then it has gone all the way down to $3.98. In the course of trading today, the stock went at one point to as high as $4.39. The 52-week range for Canoo Inc. is from $1.75 all the way up to $13.35. Today's volume, 7.5 million shares have exchanged hands so far, compared to an average volume of 12.7 million. And we still have just about an hour, 50 minutes to the closing bell. Market capitalization for Canoo Inc. is now sitting at $1 billion US. Now, there's something I want to point out, guys. There's a huge bill going currently through the US Congress, and it's called the 2022 Climate Change Bill. I might have the wording wrong, but it has something to do with climate change. If you guys recall, President Joe Biden made climate change a very, very huge part of his administration. So this first term for President Joe Biden is huge on the climate, and this will be one of the most effective ways in which he will leave his mark. And this will be one of the things that will be considered his legacy after he would have left office. So what does this 2022 climate change bill comprise? Well, it has the tax credits that were given for purchasing electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid vehicles. It comes back in this bill, and it goes as high as $7,500 US per incidence per car. And also, it comes with some caveats, and those include, I think, that the vehicle must be manufactured here in the United States, if not, I think, North America. Secondly, a majority of the components that go into the battery should have been manufactured in the United States itself. And then you also have provisions for the final assembly, which I said before, it has to be here in the US. And so this cuts out some of the legacy manufacturers you might be thinking of. I think like Toyota, probably Honda, maybe Nissan, because their EVs, most of those Japanese companies, their EVs are manufactured in Japan, but other models are assembled here in the United States, Mexico, Canada. But the EVs, I think, for the most part, are manufactured back in Japan, I think, including the Prius. So that's what you have concerning the huge bill that is making its way through Congress. There are also stipulations concerning the price of these vehicles, I think limiting some to like $50,000, meaning that even the lowly Tesla Model 3 might not qualify, because most of them, by the time you do the least option, it's already above 50,000 easily. So that's what's going through Congress right now. The Democrats were able to hash out a compromise with Senator Manchin from West Virginia, and that compromise has made the bill, to come to life, and that might be actually go through and be signed into law. So keep a watch out for the bill that is coming through Congress, and of course, if everything goes according to plan, there's no reason why President Joe Biden won't be signing that into law. So keep an eye on that, and companies like Canoo will stand to benefit a lot from this type of bill, because it goes in line with the agenda that President Joe Biden has set for the country, that is build back better, but in an environmentally responsible way. So let's keep an eye on that, and that's all what I had to share with you concerning Canoo Inc. Unfortunately, the stock is down today 6.8%, but I fully expect this stock to bounce back in the short to mid-term, just like the analysts have put there for the performance outlook, where for the short term, you can see that on the bottom right of your screen, short term and mid-term, everything is in the green. I want to thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and hope you have some good trades today. Bye now.